Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Astro Pankaj Seth. I am Astro Pankaj Seth. Yesterday we learnt about Moon and Venus conjunction. Today we know the effect of Moon and Saturn conjunction. As we know that Moon and Saturn conjunction is also popular as a Vish yoga. It is considered very malefic those and a lots of fear about this Vish dosa is popular among the astrological community. I want to say that Moon and Saturn conjunction is known as Vish dosa, but doesn't fear so much by listening the Vish dosa. So in our Nadi astrology, it is also known as the Chandramauli yoga. So before knowing the effect, I want to tell you that don't be afraid while looking the Moon and Saturn conjunction in the horoscope. Yes, there is a malefic results in the charts, but it doesn't mean it is too much malefic or it is destroy your life. Because if we see the Moon must be associated with the Saturn till 2 to 3 days in each month. So any people born during that days when Moon and Saturn is conjuncted with each other, so that kundli has a Vish dosa. So we can show that how many or even the crore of people having such type of dosas. Now we know the effect of this Moon and Saturn conjunction. Moon, before going to tell the effect, I also want to tell you that in the KP astrology, it is known as the Punarvu yoga or Punarvu yoga. Punarvu or Punarvu means that he has to do any karma of one more times. When the Moon and Saturn combination present in the birth chart, the first meaning of this that native may be born with the mid phase of Sadesati. So it is a negative points that a person born with the Sadesati, even the mid phase of Sadesati. Again, Saturn has a lazy attitudes. So Moon and Saturn conjunction is indicating native may has lazy attitudes in the natures. Even all his events in life may be delayed. Native may be looking old than his original age, because Moon is the karak of Rupa and Saturn is a old age guy. So native may be looking old from his original age, or his all events in the life may be delayed. Means anything he will do has some sort of issues, or he has to do attempt one or more times to complete a task. Native may be suffering from the depression. Native may has negative thoughts. Most probably that he is thinking maybe downgrade. Why? Moon is our mind and it is the impact of the Saturn in the charts. Saturn has a low or lower glance, means Saturn has a Niji Drishti. This is indicating native may be always thinking negative and his negativity may cause for depressions. So it is not considered so much good for the mental stage of natives. Natives may be inclined towards worship of Lord Shiva. Native may be interested in the meditation. Even after the worship of Lord Shiva, most of problem of his life may be sorted out, because he is suffering from the depressions, and for come away from the depression, native must have to do the meditation. When he start the meditation, even the meditation of the Lord Shiva, then definitely most of problems in his life may be cured. Chandra is on the head of Lord Shiva. Chandra is on the head of Lord Shiva, and Saturn is the Lord Shiva. So it is indicating the Chandramauli Yoga. This is the positive impact of the Chandramauli Yoga, that native has inclined towards the meditation. He may be gained very much in the spirituality. If the natives, and we see the Lord Shiva, he is detached from the anything and always interested in to do the meditation. So people will be interested to the detached with the materialistic world. He will be interested to the join the spiritual world. So if there is a lots of stress in your life, and you will be suffering from issues in your life due to the Moon and Saturn conjunction in your charts, then you have to start the meditation. Meditation with Lord Shiva must be work in your charts, and your many of the problems will be go away from your life. Moon and Saturn conjunction is also not considered good for the marriage life. It is indicating that delay in the marriage or delay in the childbirth. As far as the classical, his wife doesn't have a good nature. Apart from this, in our Nadi astrology, if the Venus or Mars is also affiliated in the charts, and chart has the Moon and Saturn conjunction, then it may cause for the no marriage or sannyas yoga in the charts. So be careful regarding the marriage life if your chart has a Moon and Saturn conjunction. Even if you try to delay your marriage, then doesn't do this by your free will, because sometimes free will cause for the no marriage in your life. Moon is the mother, and it is on the grip of the Saturn. So we can say that his mother may have health related issues. She may be suffering from the gastric. Some sort of misunderstanding between the native and mother is possible. Native may abuse his parents. As per as some classical books, native's mothers may have some sort of secret disease which is transferred to the natives via genetically. Means native may be suffering from any sort of genetical issues, or native may be suffering from cold and cough related issues, because Moon is karak of water element and Saturn is the karak of air element, so it is cause for the cold and cough related issues. Native may be suffering from the low blood pressure, or native may be easily comes under the influence of others, and native may be suffering from the digestive problems such as gastric etc. He may be easily comes under the influence of the others. Another part of this, if the chart says yoga, then native may be easily comes under the influence of evil eyes. So if native had such type of issues, especially in the child age, that native means suffering from the evil eyes, then he has to do their home remedies for the evil eyes in a regular time interval. Saturn is our profession. It is associated with the Moon. Moon doesn't have a stable nature. So we can say that native's profession doesn't be stable in nature. He may be either changing a profession in every 5 or 10 years, or his profession he may be involved in such type of profession where a lots of traveling. His financial condition is not so much stable. He may be getting the good success in professional life after the 30 year of age, means after the first Saturn returns, he will be getting the good success in their life. He may be change his place for his profession. Apart from this, we can say that moon is the liquid, moon is the water, so his profession may be related to the water or liquids. He has to take many attempts to get success in his work. Thank you. I think you like my video. If you like, then definitely subscribe my channel for getting the latest videos, or to getting the motivation for me, so I can make the another videos, because I have a lots of topics to tell you. Tomorrow I will be come with the topic moon and Rahu conjunction, and it is the also a very malefic conjunction. Hope you wait for tomorrow and see my videos regarding moon and Rahu conjunction, a Grahan Yoga in the chart. Thank you. Thanks for your watching.